The main aim is to ensure that it connects well to the backend and it ensures quality without any errors and flaws. Now going to the output, I would be showing you this working of this code, which is here it has successfully passed all the tests, and the test which I have used is that first is this test is used to verify the status code of the response 200 indicating successful request. Other test which I have implemented is this that it is a response body, that it is not empty by ensuring it has JSON body and it's neither null or identified. The next text which I have implemented is ensuring that it contains an array of data, especially robot commands in this case. Here, robot commands are present with ID 9, 10, 11, 7, 12, 13, 14, 15, etc. Now, moving on to the another test, which is this test iterates over each command in the response body. For each command, it checks if it has properties like ID, name, and description, ensuring that they are present and not null or defined. Now, moving on to the next endpoint, and the tests I have, which are these. Hence, it is also showing that these test results are successful and hence it has passed. First was of status code OK 200. Second was response body is not empty. And third is that it contains array of move commands, particularly not any other thing, which it contains ID, name, and command. Now moving on to the next one. Basically, I have not found any ID 3, so it means it would not pass any test. If I do it for ID number 9, it was successfully passed the test and shows that the command is present and test results would be passed. And the test I have used is that status code 200 for OK and response body containing ID name description as its valid properties. Next is post robot commands. Hence, it has created a robot ID with 0 with name move3 and description move the command, and here are the test results which have been successfully passed. 200 for status OK and response body containing valid properties like ID, name, and description. Moving on to the next one, no content. Hence, all the tests have been passed, which means it is valid, that it is created, response body is not emptied, and response body contains valid properties, that is ID, name, and description. Now I am going to delete. Hence, it has been successfully deleted, and it shows status code is no content, which is 204. Right. Now moving on to get map endpoints. Here are my IDs with created maps and particular descriptions, and the tests I have used are successfully passed, which is response time in less than 500 and response status code 200 OK, status code OK, response body is not empty, and response body contains an array of maps. Moving on to the next one. It has also successfully passed all the tests which were implemented, which were response status code 200. Response has the expected content type of application, response body is an array, and response time in less than 200 meter per second, which is also passing all the tests which were included. For example, status code 201 for successful creation of map. Response body is also not empty and it has successfully passed. Response time is less than 200 milli per second. Status code is also created. Response body is not empty. Response time is within an acceptable range. And status code 204 for successful creation of new map. All these tests have been successfully passed. Now it has also passed that it has no content, which means it is successfully done. Now I'm going to delete it, which is also showing all the tests been successfully passed. That is, response body is empty, verified that is deleted from the system, response status is 204 for successful deletion, and response status code is 204. Moving on to the last one, not found is right. I'm going to show 5. It is true that this map is present as ID5 is present. So it is showing all the tests verified, passed. Thank you.